The U.S. Navy will now be deployed in the Strait of Hormuz, and a full blockade will be established there. This decision came after the U.S.-Iran negotiations failed. Just a few hours later, Trump said on social media that the U.S. Navy will begin stopping every ship trying to enter or exit the Strait of Hormuz. But it appears that this move is an attempt to increase pressure on Iran, and it could also affect other countries. Because the reality is that Iran is still exporting its oil through this route, and ships from different countries, including Pakistani and French vessels, are also using the same passage. It also seems that this step is being taken to stop other countries from paying tolls to Iran and to reduce Iran's financial gains from it. Trump clearly stated, anyone who pays illegal tolls to Iran will not be given safe passage in open seas. He further added, if any Iranian fires at us or at any peaceful vessel, they will face a strong response. So, the current situation is, the U.S. is moving toward a full blockade of the Strait of Hormuz. Now the question is, will this step reduce tensions or escalate them further? Share your opinion in the comments and follow for more updates.